The procedure of dropping the liner is pretty simple. At the front, we have 4 plastic pins and an extra one on each side. To remove them without damaging the liner, use the pick tool and a plastic tool in combination to remove the pin safely. Also, their plastic cover for manual hinges control, lock or unlock position, you need to pop it out as I didn't mention it in the video. Now we get into the back tabs, which connected to the cylinder sleeve. They pretty tight, so take extra time to remove them without scratching the aluminum component or liner itself. After you release 2 metal tabs at the corner, they're gonna be last simple step with the 5 extra pins which is hidden under the back portion of the liner, 2 on each side and 1 at the middle, which is gonna be the yellow one, and the middle one you're gonna be able to see it from the cutout or opening in the liner. I also use more sturdier tool for that procedure, but be pretty careful to not scratch or damage anything with it.
Anyway guys, if you like the video, please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel and leave me a comment below. I'll see you in the next